Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Cheryl Padilla Simbahon from Lawang, Northern Samar. I'm 30 years old. I'm a single parent with 2 children, just 13 and 8 years old. My highest educational attempt is high school graduate, and my hobbies are cooking, dancing, and singing. I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 3 years, and I have served 4 members of the family, including the 2 children, just 10 and 5 years old. My duties are taking care of the kids, preparing, cooking meals, washing dishes, cleaning the house, ironing, and doing laundry and grocery shopping, and I also doing car washing and many more. I also have lots of experience in taking care of the newborn baby, elderly, or children. I like to work to Hong Kong because I want to earn money to support my family needs and have savings for my kids' futures. To my future employers, sir, ma'am, please hire me as your helper because I'm a good person, I'm an honest person, and trustworthy person, and a hardworking woman. I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. I'm looking forward as soon as possible. Thank you.